get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you choking.
Dalawang 27mm, so compare sa ano R1 na series, ito dalawang caliper lang siya, pero ano siya, malakas yung preno niya. Tapos forged monoblock, high quality, forged aluminum, ibig sabihin matibay. So ito yung ano, kita ko yung R1. So i-ano natin siya mamaya, ipakita natin. So series, so pangarap to, sniper 150 tsaka 155. Yan. So yan ang logo ng RCB. So unbox na natin. Ang intro. Uy, maliit. Yan, keychain. Tapos ito yung bolt na may washer. Ano siya? Alloy ba to? Tapos ito, parang walang ano, walang bracket. Hindi natin yan. Sticker tsaka manual. Tapos ito, ayun yung bracket sa ilalim. Yan. Yan. Uy, ganda pala. Yan. So dito yung post leader. So ganyan po yung design nya. Dito o yung bracket na RCB din. Tapos may brake pad ng dalawa. Grabe, solid. RCB na brake pad. So dito to. Yan. Ganyan siya. Solid ah. Ano pa? So kita ko yung ano, itong S1 ay R1. Pero hindi yung R1 dito eh. Yan. Compare natin yung ano niya.